can't believe this is the same girl who was in Bahubali 1. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sam, joined by the Bill from Mandeep.
Hey everyone.
And guys, we're continuing our reactions on Bahubali 2 since you guys are absolutely loving all the scenes we checked out so far. So the scene we're checking out today is, I believe, Dave Senna's entry scene. So we're super excited to check out what her character looks like. You know, now that I've seen the trailer, she looks so young in there compared to the character we saw in Bahubali 1,
right,
where she had the heavy makeup on and made her look old. So I'm super excited to check out the scene, guys. If you want us to continue making Bahubali reactions, making sure this video some love by smashing the like button. Without any further ado, let's jump straight to our reaction.
जी आप ओहो क्या धौंस है वीर बहादुर की
You think that's Dave Senna?
Yeah.
Oh, these must be the bandits from earlier.
कुछ लुटेरे हैं और उनको पकड़ने के लिए भेष बदल कर आए हुए सैनिक अपना कुछ काम नहीं
Jeez. Oh, what an entrance! I can't believe this is the same girl who was in Bahubali 1. Oh my god!
क्या बिजली की तरह तलवार चला रही है ये कौन हो सकता
It's gone.
Katappa knows Bahubali is gone.
अच्छा अपना वीर बहादुर कहीं नजर नहीं आ रहा है
Scared.
प्रभु दो लोग उस तरफ जाओ दो लोग इस तरफ जाओ क्या प्रभु और 10 लोग यहीं पर रुको हाँ
Oh my god. What a scary cat. What did he see? Oh, there's more hiding. Don't mess with Katappa and Bahubali, come on guys. Oh my god, up. Jeez, how did he catch that? God. They're just passing the weapon around. I just can't get over it. That's a Dave Senna. Look at her. Bahubali's lost in the thoughts. He's not even paying attention to the fight.
So happy. Just lost.
Katappa's asking for the weapon, isn't he? Oh my god! It landed on everyone else except for Katappa.
ये कैसी हरकत है तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ है बाबू तुमने उस पेड़ को काट डाला अरे मुझसे जरा सी चूक होती तो मेरा सर फट जाता जान चली जाती मेरी ऐसा लगता है मैं उसके लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ मामा कुछ भी मतलब मार डालोगे मुझे भी मार डालोगे विश्वासघाती मैंने तुम्हारे लिए बचपन से क्या क्या नहीं किया हमें मिलाने के लिए तो अभी तुम्हें बहुत कुछ करना पड़ेगा मामा।
Wow, that was amazing.
Yeah, Dev Sena looks stunning.
I know, I can't get over the fact that that's Dave Sena.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? In the first movie, when you see her tied up in chains and everything, she's got that old character.
Yeah.
Because she's playing the mom, right?
All the wrinkles.
All the wrinkles, the white hair.
Yeah.
Like she's been trapped for so long as well.
Yeah.
Oh my god. But you see this Dave Sena, you're like, I don't think that's the same person.
Yeah.
She looks so vibrant, the clothes she's wearing. She looks like she's a mean person.
Yeah.
Like mean in a good way though. Like she can fight off anything.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Mind blowing.
So yeah, I know everything about her was just incredible,
Yeah.
and I can see why Prabhas fell for her straight away. Bahubali, as soon as he saw her, he was like, "Oh my god."
Yeah, he's
Katappa,
gone.
he calls Katappa Mama, right? He's like, "Mama, I can do anything for her." Katappa's like, "What? You can even kill me? I've been raising you since you were a child, and now this girl just comes out of nowhere, and now you're like, I'll do anything for her." But that was an amazing scene. Her entry, the way she was first of all moving that cloth around to kind of put distance between her and the bad guys,
Yeah.
that was amazing. So they couldn't get a shot at her. And all she did was pierce
Through the cloth.
clothes with a knife,
Yeah.
and then got one of the guys, and then she just did this flick thing, and all of them went flying. That slow-mo scene looked incredible.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah, oh my god. And the one guy, you know, the one who initially walked forward, and Katappa was trying to speak to him, and he just like ignored them, like, and just walked away.
Yeah.
Because he's trying to be like the big boss, because he doesn't know who these guys are, right? They're disguised.
Yeah.
And then Katappa's like, where's that big boss we were looking at? And he's just hiding on top. Oh my
was
god,
funny.
he's just sitting there, and you see the orders he was giving?
Yeah.
He's like, okay, 2 men go that way, 2 men go that way, 10 men stay here.
Yeah, that was a funny part.
But he's like,
Then
no
he
one,
has to stay
no
there.
one can get close to him, so he's like, 10 men stay here. Oh my god, he was so scared, man. I wonder what his backstory is or what's going to happen to that character. But he looked pretty interesting as well. I guess we'll find out more as we watch the movie.
And at last, Bahubali was not
Passing the weapon?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
he was
know.
fighting.
So there's Katappa. Katappa has like 4 or 5 guys on him. I don't know how Katappa is still moving around. He's incredible, the strength he has. So he's got like 4 or 5 guys. He's like, Bahu, come
Please
on,
pass me
the
the
weapon.
But he's just lost in thoughts of Dev Sena.
Yeah, and Bahubali in his mind, he's just reliving the moment where
He
the
saw.
cloth gets unveiled. You
Yeah.
see her eyes and the thing she has over her. That looked incredible, by the way.
You're right.
So he's just reliving the moment. He's just lost in thought. Oh my god! And the way he just struck down that tree, was that tree perfect or what? Like the way he fell down, only Katappa was in the middle with the perfect gap, and everything else around him got
Yeah.
demolished.
Perfect calculation.
I know, but that was an amazing scene, guys. I just love that so much. Bahubali 1 had incredible scenes. Bahubali 2 has incredible scenes as well. It's just amazing.
Yeah, that was stunning entry of Dev
Yeah, Dave Sena. Yeah, that was so we've checked out Prabhas's entry. Now we checked out Deva Sena's entry.
Right.
That's incredible. In the first movie, you have to check out Shivagami's entry,
Yeah.
which is also epic. So all these characters have amazing entrances, and I love that. You know what I mean? This is an amazing film, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying our reactions on Bahubali 2. We're going to keep on making them daily as long as you guys keep enjoying them. So if you did enjoy this reaction, make sure this video some love by smashing the like button. If you're new in the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for the channel. That way you never miss out on an upload. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.